Welcome back to Epic Libations, everybody. This evening's cocktail is going to be another epic. It's called the Vieux Carre. Let's get started. So, the Vieux Carre translates as the old square, if you didn't know. You're going to start with rye whiskey. Now I'm going to double this because I'm hardcore. And you can just cut this recipe in half if you want a single small cocktail. Then cognac of your choice. Ounce and a half of that as well. And then my favorite, sweet vermouth. Antica Carpano, the best, in my opinion, but to each his own. Ounce and a half of that. And now, the legendary Benedictine, 1 ounce. And then after that, we're going to do a couple dashes of Peychaud's bitters. Double. And Angostura bitters. All right. Now, add our rocks and stir. Now, like I said before, you want to stir roughly 30, maybe 40 seconds or so. Get some condensation on the outside of that glass so it's fully chilled, but most importantly, completely incorporated into one epic cocktail. You want these flavors to blend harmoniously as they have since the 1930s in the French Quarter of New Orleans. There we go. On the rocks glass, maybe a coupe glass if you're only serving a single serving. Look how beautiful it is. That is a Vieux Carre. Oh, that is absolutely incredible. You can't go wrong. And when you order a Vieux Carre instead of a Jack and Coke, you actually sound like you know how to drink. Visit epiclibations.com for more epic recipes and all the stuff I have for you to set up your own home bar at home. You can find the links on there as well. Until next time.